In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to secure your Trust wallet effectively. Whether you're new to the world of cryptocurrencies or you've been around for a while, securing your digital wallet is crucial. Let's dive into the process to ensure your assets are safe and sound. To get started, open your Trust Wallet app. Once you're in, you'll notice the various features the app offers, such as send, receive, swap, buy, and sell. These functions are the core of any crypto wallet, allowing you to manage and transact with your digital currencies efficiently. However, before you explore these features, it's essential to back up your wallet, a step that is often overlooked but is vital for security. To back up your wallet, simply head over to the settings in the app. Within settings, you'll want to click on Manage Accounts. Here, you'll see your Trust Wallet account or accounts if you have multiple. Select the account for which you wish to make sure your backup is up to date. The next step involves clicking on Secret Phrase. At this point, the app will prompt you to enter your password for security reasons. Once your password has been entered, the app will reveal your recovery phrase. Now, this recovery or secret phrase is crucial. It's essentially the key to your wallet. If anything ever happens to your device or app, this phrase is how you'll regain access to your assets. So, make sure you don't share your recovery phrase with anyone, under any circumstances. Once you see the phrase, copy it and save it in a secure place. Some people choose to write it down on a piece of paper and store it somewhere safe. Others prefer saving it in a secure digital document. Whatever method you choose, just ensure it's not accessible to others. Another layer of security you can add to your Trust wallet is setting up a lock. Go back to Settings and, depending on your app version, you might find this option at the bottom or under a security feature. In this case, it's located at the bottom. Click on Lock. Again, you'll be required to enter your password. Once entered, you'll have the option to set your wallet to automatically lock after a specific period of inactivity. This is a great way to add an extra level of security, ensuring that even if you forget to manually lock your wallet, the app will do it for you. And just like that, you've successfully backed up and secured your Trust wallet. Regular maintenance and updates to your security settings can play a crucial role in keeping your investments safe. Keep these tips in mind, and you'll be well on your way to managing your cryptocurrencies securely and with peace of mind.